Today I am going to demonstrate how to make a thermocol pot out of a waste thermocol box. This is a waste thermocol box I have taken. This was available in one fish shop. From there I have collected, and now after taking the waste thermocol box, I have put this is a all rounding box. This is a I have purchased from Amazon, and I have put the tape all round. Come here. I use the thermocol tape, and using a knife I have cut the edge of the thermocol tape. Now the box is ready. Now I am going to put a small hole at the bottom of the thermocol box. Stop. Now I am going to make a hole at the bottom of the thermocol box. See, this is the thermocol box. I am going to make a small hole at the bottom. See here. Here I am going to make a hole. I am making a central point, and see, I have made a hole in the center of the box. Yeah, this I have made a hole, and now I am going to insert this gunny thread into the hole. You can see how I am inserting. Yes, I have inserted the gunny thread, and this will act as a wick. See, this will act as a wick, and it will draw the water from the bottom. Now I am going to leave this rest of the thread here. I am going to put a knot so that it will not go there. So this is the wick which will draw the water from the bottom of the bottom of the pot. Stop. The bottom box. This is another waste thermocol box. I have not put a hole into this box. I have filled the box with waste leaves and mud. So this is going to be acting as a reservoir for the water. See, this is going to be reservoir, and this will, I will keep it in the bottom. See, I am keeping this in the bottom, and I am going to keep the main thermocol pot above this one. You can see the wick. The wick will go and sit inside the bottom pot. So this is double thermocol box. So in the bottom you can see, the bottom box. That bottom box will contain the old leaves and mud, and the wick is going to suck the water from the bottom box. And this is the top box. The top box contains the wick, and the wick is going to remain here. Now I am going to fill the top box, that is the thermocol box pot, with the mud and leaves. Friends, now I have put the waste thermocol pieces inside the box so that it will reduce the weight. Otherwise I have to fill lot of mud. So what I have done is, I have put extra pieces of thermocol boxes which are waste pieces, and they are going to reduce the volume so that the total amount of mud required will come down. So, and the wig is here. Now I am going to put the waste leaves and the mud and fill it up with the material, that is the plant material, mud and the leaves, so that I can plant the plant inside this. Stop. So now I am going to fill the waste leaves and mud inside the thermocol box. At the bottom I am going to put lot of leaves, and I am going to put the plant here. Stop. I have taken a plant out of a pot, you can see. Now I am putting this plant inside the thermocol box. And now I am going to fill the mud material and leaf material all round. Come. Filling the mud and green waste material, you can see, into the pot. Stop. So, little distance. See, now I filled the entire pot with the waste leaves and the mud, and now I am going to cover this place with waste thermocol boxes, pieces of thermocol boxes. Stop. Waste thermocol pieces. You started? Start?
Yeah.
Now I have put 2 waste thermocol pieces. They will prevent extra evaporation, and I am putting these waste pieces of tiles over that so that they will not fly over when the wind comes. See friends, now the box is over. You can see the plant, the mud, the leaves, thermocol box, and so now the water will not evaporate. Only have little space left so that I can water it, and whatever the water we pour, that will collect here, and excess water will go to the bottom box, and the water will be drawn by the wick, and the plant will be always green, fresh. Even if I don't want water for 1 month also, the water will remain. It will be stored in the bottom box so that the wick will draw the water. So, thank you very much for watching the video. Signing off, Dr. C. Sharath Kumar.